Hello, I'm Archie Luxury and welcome to the program. Today I'd like to talk about what is the Holy Trinity? What is the Holy Trinity? And as I said on another video I made about this, no, it's not some sort of Catholic birth control. The Holy Trinity, referred to in watchmaking, it's the three big, prestigious watchmakers. Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin. It's those three makers. Why are they called the Holy Trinity? Well, they're sort of three very respected, well-regarded watchmakers. Are they the best in the world? Well, some would say they were. Others would say Lange, and some other makers like Jaeger-LeCoultre and Breguet deserve to be included. But the Holy Trinity is three companies. APPPVC. And that is life. There's no further comment on it. It's just one of these things. What is the Holy Trinity? The Holy Trinity is those three watchmakers. Are they the greatest there are? Well, I think Breguet certainly deserves a mention. Jaeger-LeCoultre invented a lot of movements for those three makers. But such is life. The Holy Trinity, APPPVC. And I gotta say, that'd be such a cool combo to have. An AP, Audemars Piguet, Patek Philippe, and a Vacheron Constantin. I did have a VC. I've only now got an AP, my Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, and I got two PPs. So I need a VC. So if anyone's thinking, hey, I'm a Russian oligarch and I'd really like to buy Archie something, a VC. VC. Toledo would be great. I'm Archie Luxury. I hope I've explained the Holy Trinity to you. Bless you, Father.